Welcome to Mayday episode 4, guys. This is the flexibility episode. So this is just my dynamic stretches. These are kind of what I tend to do just before a big workout, like a PR day, which my PR video is coming up next week, how to prep for a PR, how to know when you should stop escalating in weight and all that. But going to today's video is kind of the prep for a PR day, the warm-up routine that I do. And these are going to be dynamic movements, dynamic stretches. I do have a static and self-myofascial release section, but today we're just going to go into the dynamic stretches that I do to warm up, especially around a PR day. And we're going to start out with shoulder rolls. Very important to get the shoulders nice and loose so you're not bench pressing with tight shoulders. It's a good movement to implement. And moving right into arm circles. Arm circles, again, they look kind of stupid. I remember doing them in middle school gym class, but I do feel like they do this kind of same thing. Loosen up that shoulder joint and make sure that it moves properly. Then going into chest flies, obviously loosen up the chest, get it just moving. Get the chest a little pre-contraction with no weight, just, really focusing on opening up the chest as much as you can. And then going into the next workout, stretch, which is elbows to knees squat, which just means, push your elbows, push your knees out with your elbows, which will help kind of open up the hips. And then right after elbows to knees, we go to calf raises, tiptoes. It's the same movement as the calf raise, obviously not weight loaded, but I usually feel a good stretch or relief in my ankles and my feet. And then this is less of actually not a dynamic stretch really, other than you're switching sides. I do tend to hold for 10 seconds, switch sides, just because, I don't know, feels best for me. But again, you feel out what timing works best for you. For me, I tend to switch sides every 10 seconds and hold the stretch for about 30 seconds at a time, or 40 seconds at a time. So 10 seconds left side, 10 seconds right side, 10 seconds left side, 10 seconds right side, one set. And then for all these movements, if I'm feeling super tight, I'll do about 2 sets of 30 seconds for each movement. And so these aren't rep based, they're all time based. So if I'm feeling really tight, it's between 2 to 4 sets. Again, super tight, I'll do 2 to 4 sets of each one of these movements. And then if I'm feeling pretty good but just needing a little warm up, then I'll be doing usually just one to 2 sets of each movement. But sorry guys, this is an extra short video, just 3 minutes, but please stick around for next week where we will be doing PR testing. Hopefully the shoulder's better by then. Again, this is why the shoulder warming up is so important, because it's just really easy to just get something out of place if you're not properly warming up. So this is just what I do. If you like it, try it out. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments, and please come back next week for episode 5. Yep, 5. All right, guys.